Well, I'm here. Going to town on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? I happened to look down and I saw the trunk was open. Little junk in the trunk. What do you think you are? One of these young punks that walks around with their pants halfway down? Come on, Timko. I expect more out of you. Oop, deer bed. Oh, looks like a Select Comfort. You know how I can tell? Because of the way it is. How neat is that? That's pretty neat. Uh-oh, Sasquatch tracks. Okay, there's some of the wood they pulled out and limbed. I see that's a little scratched up. I think hopefully that'll be alright. This is what it looks like after they've skidded this. Of course, there wasn't a lot of aspen in here. It's pretty nice spruce here. This isn't real indicative of the entire project, but this gives you an idea. Looks pretty good. Looks like they're focusing a little more on aspen. He's got some pretty good piles of aspen going there. You see the one behind him? Still got to carry the slash back out, the limbs and tops. Somebody threw a spruce tree in there. ugly birch tree. See how it does on the birch. A little tougher to limb. Pulled it right out of the feed rollers. I had to weld that cylinder again. Hopefully I did a better job. But they're skidding and limbing here. I can't stick around. I gotta go check out next job site. So that's what it looks like. Welder's getting a new battery. Way out front. Tried to grind it down to the bottom of the crack. Ground it. We got oil in there we're gonna have to deal with before we can weld down. Getting her filled in. Well, that's where I'm gonna leave it, right there. Hopefully that holds. Kind of looks like spaghetti around here. There's still some wood in here, isn't there? I came in the dark, so I couldn't see all this. I'm trying to plow at the same time here. But looking out through there, looks pretty good. I'm trying to plow and film, and yeah, you talk about multitasking. Well, that's how much red pine I took out. I don't know, that must be tamarack. Mostly aspen, and that end is spruce. Starting to slash some of it, I see. There's stumps under here. I don't know where the original road was. I think it's a little bit to my right. It's trying to snow again. Like we don't have enough snow already. Holy smokes. Pretty good pile of wood in that pile, isn't there? There's Jeff down there. I don't know if you can see him. So I'm walking back in here. See, there is some rubbing on that tree. What, this is the inside of a pivot corner that was the main skid trail, so it's amazing that there isn't more bark rubbed off it. Still some aspen in here to meet the basal area, and they wanted some left in here. Well, this is a spot where many trails came. This was the one I was using, I think, to get to the back. This one come in and met it. We're in a narrow spot because of the swamp. That one's barked up pretty good. So there's a trail there, a trail there, trail there, trail there, and they all come together right here. So there's a little bit of an opening right here. I see a couple scratch trees there. That one's scratched. Another trail over there. I can hear a slasher.
Hey, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, Metro.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom, aka Stump Fighter, says thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.